Aqua Bay sunset, painting gold and red. Your braids dancing in the wind, beauty widespread. Feet buried in the sand, watching waves rolling. With you beside me, every moment is a win. I brought you here because words weren't enough to tell you how you make my heart erupt.
Ocean breeze carrying our song. With you is where I belong.
Tides may change, moon may rise, but I see forever in your eyes.
Let me take my hand, let's build our castle in the sand.
You brought me to this shore
With that shy smile, said you had something to tell me. Took a while, but when you spoke, the ocean held its breath. Your words of love conquering fear of death. Now every beach remind me of this day when you promised never to walk away. Ocean breeze carrying our song. With you is where I belong. Tides may change, moon may rise,
but I see forever in your eyes.
you fear me, take my hand, let's build our castle in the sand.
Waves kissing the shore,
Like your love,
always coming back for more.
like your love.
Salt air and warm embrace, time stops in this sacred space. Ocean breeze, forever freeze this moment. You and me.